Well, congratulations to the Bird family on their Metan Davenport. It seems like each one we do, our clients ask us specific things and we pull through for them, making these boats even more special than the last one. This features a little bit of Mr. Wilson's amazing work on our custom tow post, aft seating, along with the Metan swim platform, the Metan Z-legs on an RPS seat, finished by Michael's beautiful teak work. Console, simple yet classic, with some subtle teak accents, finished off with the forward teak ankle locker. Mr. Wilson's beautiful work done on the bow rail. Our Perco Classic hardware, exclusively made for the Metan Classic Collections. Bimini top, and something we consider probably the most important, rigging and wiring. And this is all part of making it Metan.